Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Are you ready to take your commercial cleaning game to the next level in 2024? In this video, we're going to break down the ultimate commercial cleaning checklist that will transform the way you maintain your workspace. Whether you're a seasoned cleaning professional or a business owner looking to ensure a spotless environment, this checklist is your new best friend. So grab a notepad because we're diving deep into the essential tasks, tips, and strategies that will keep your facility looking pristine all year round. Let's start with the basics. Key areas to focus on for effective cleaning. It might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to overlook some of the most critical spots in a commercial space. High traffic areas like entrances, lobbies, and hallways require daily attention. They're the first thing people see when they walk into your business. So keeping them spotless sets a great first impression. Make sure to dust surfaces, vacuum carpets, and mop those floors regularly. Oh, and don't forget about the glass doors. Fingerprints love those. Next, bathrooms. The one place you can't afford to let slide. These need to be cleaned and disinfected daily, without exception. We're talking toilets, sinks, mirrors, floors, the works. Replace toilet paper, refill soap dispensers, and don't forget to sanitize the door handles. Pro tip, use color-coded cleaning tools for the bathroom to avoid cross-contamination. Trust us, no one wants bathroom germs traveling to the break room. Speaking of the break room, this area often gets neglected, even though it's where your team spends a lot of their time. Countertops, tables, and kitchen appliances should all be wiped down every day. If there's a microwave, oh boy, brace yourself. Give it a thorough cleaning inside and out. Don't forget to regularly empty and disinfect trash cans too. The last thing you want is leftover food attracting pests. Now let's talk about office spaces. Desks might look clean, but they're breeding grounds for germs. Make it a habit to sanitize them at least once a week, along with telephones, keyboards, and mice. You'll also want to dust computer monitors, windowsills, and blinds. If your office has carpets, make sure they're vacuumed regularly and deep cleaned every few months. Here's a key tip. Don't ignore the corners. It sounds simple, but dust, dirt, and debris tend to accumulate in corners, baseboards, and under furniture. Make it a point to get into those hard-to-reach spots, and your workspace will feel really clean. Now that we've covered the areas, let's get into the step-by-step procedures for various types of commercial spaces. Different facilities have different cleaning needs, right? For instance, if you're managing a healthcare facility, disinfecting surfaces isn't just recommended, it's mandatory. Use hospital-grade disinfectants and ensure that all surfaces, from waiting rooms to patient rooms, are sanitized frequently. And don't forget about medical waste disposal. Follow your facility's guidelines to the letter. In contrast, if you're cleaning a warehouse or industrial facility, you'll need to focus on keeping floors free from debris, oil spills, or other potential hazards. Safety is key here. Make sure you're using heavy-duty cleaning equipment like floor scrubbers to get the job done efficiently. No matter what kind of space you're cleaning, one rule remains universal. Always use the right products and tools for the job. You wouldn't use a glass cleaner on wood, right? Make sure your cleaning products are suited for the surfaces you're working with. And don't forget about your equipment. Regularly clean and maintain your vacuums, mops, and scrubbers. They work hard for you, so give them the care they need to last. Next up, creating a sustainable cleaning routine. Going green isn't just trendy, it's the smart way to clean in 24. Look for eco-friendly cleaning products that are non-toxic and biodegradable. Not only are they better for the environment, but they're also safer for your staff and anyone using your facility. You can also cut down on waste by using microfiber cloths instead of paper towels. They last longer and are much more efficient at picking up dirt. Speaking of staff, let's talk about training. A solid cleaning routine is only as good as the people carrying it out. Whether you're running a cleaning team or managing an office, make sure everyone is on the same page. Teach your staff the correct cleaning methods, product usage, and how to operate cleaning equipment properly. Consistency is key. Consider creating a schedule so that no task is missed. And don't forget to check in regularly to ensure everything's running smoothly. Training doesn't have to be boring either. Make it fun. Host cleaning challenges, reward exceptional performance, or even have a quick weekly meeting to review goals. When your staff feels motivated and appreciated, they're more likely to go the extra mile. Finally, let's talk about efficiency. Cleaning can be time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be. Break your cleaning tasks into manageable chunks. For instance, some tasks, like wiping down surfaces, can be done daily, while others, like deep cleaning carpets or windows, can be done monthly or quarterly. Having a clear schedule will save you time, reduce stress, and keep your space consistently clean. So, there you have it, the ultimate commercial cleaning checklist for 2024. Whether you're sprucing up an office, cleaning a healthcare facility, or maintaining an industrial space, this checklist covers everything you need to know to stay on top of your game. Remember, the key to a successful cleaning routine is consistency, the right tools, and a well-trained team. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cleaning tips and tricks. Let's make 2024 the year your workspace shines like never before. Thanks for watching Dan the Cleaning Man channel, and see you in the next video.